Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing an organic botanical facial using my favorite natural skincare line in the whole entire world, Blue Beautifly. Blue Beautifly is a very special company to me. If I was told that I could only use one skincare line for the rest of my life, it would hands down be Blue Beautifly, and that's saying a lot because I'm a bit of a natural skincare junkie. So the first product I ever tried from them was their organic scalp oil serum, and I instantly fell in love with this stuff. It became a staple in my hair care routine to this day. I just can't live without it. I've gone through so many bottles. And then I tried their skincare line and I just loved what it did for my skin. So I can honestly say that there's not one product by them that I don't love. So like I said, it's a very special company to me, and it's not just because I think the products are amazing, it's also the company's philosophy. So I have a little pamphlet here. So it says their unique formulas use the highest quality organic botanicals and active ingredients that are 100% biodegradable, non-GMO, vegan, and cruelty-free. They use no talc, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no aluminums, no mineral oils, no formaldehyde, no artificial colors, no petrochemicals, no ethanol, no glycols, no synthetic preservatives, and no artificial fragrances or perfumes. And 20% of their profits are donated to causes that advance the well-being of disadvantaged women and children all around the world. And their products are made in California in facilities that are 100% solar powered. So yeah, and their products are dermatologist tested for sensitive skin, and that is very true because my mom has very sensitive skin and she absolutely loves Blue Beautifly. My whole family is now just little Blue Beautifly butterflies. And I'm going to be showing you and using and talking through their core products. There's a bunch more on the website, but yeah. So I guess it's time to get Blue Beautiful with Blue Beautifly. All right, so I clipped my bangs back and my face is bare and ready for a facial. So first we are going to cleanse our skin, and Blue Beautifly has two beautiful cleansers. They have the grapefruit cleanser, which is a personal favorite, and their rosemary cleanser. So the rosemary cleanser is very invigorating. If you like rosemary and lavender and peppermint, kind of that cooling property, you'll really enjoy this cleanser. And then the grapefruit cleanser is very refreshing. It has grapefruit and lemon peel and orange, so it's just so citrusy and delicious. I'm going to be using the grapefruit cleanser today. It's a little bit hard to wash your face on camera, so I'm just going to wet my face. I'm just going to put 2 squirts and just rub that into my skin. Really massage it in and just breathe in those beautiful aromatherapy benefits. It's in a base of aloe vera and castor oil, and you'll notice that all Blue Beautifly's products are in a base of aloe vera. So instead of being water-based, like a lot of products, they put all the ingredients into a water base. This has aloe vera, so you're getting the biggest or the most bang for your buck. And the castor oil in this is really cleansing. If you do the oil cleansing method, you know what a cleansing oil castor oil is. And I still love doing the oil cleansing method when I wear a lot of makeup, but this is a really great, gentle, everyday cleanser. I'm just gonna go rinse this off in the bathroom. All right, so I'm back. I just finished washing my face in the bathroom, and now we can tone our skin. So this is the Organic Rose Toner, and I'm just going to spray my face to balance the pH and prep it for serums and moisturizers. I do the chest and neck and everything. So now that the skin is toned, I can apply my oils and serums and moisturizers. And I know it's daytime, but I need to apply this. So this is their organic chamomile night oil serum. And this is it's just jam-packed with the most beautiful oils. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I've really dealt with skin issues in the past. I had severe acne and it caused me to have hyperpigmentation and acne scars, and oils were a huge part in me healing my skin. So I'm just going to apply a few drops to my face. So I just really take the time to massage this into my skin. Don't forget to do your neck. And then any excess I have, I always rub into my nails. Because your nails need a little bit of love too, right? And you don't want any product to go to waste. So that oil contains really relaxing oils like chamomile. So you can use that one at night, but during the day, or at night if you want to use them at night, they have these moisturizers. So they have the goji berry moisturizer, which is good for dry skin. They have the rosehip moisturizer, which is good for oily skin. And they have the cranberry moisturizer, which is good for all skin types. To be honest, I don't know which one is my favorite, but today I'm going to be using the goji berry one. So I am just going to put one squirt, maybe two, if you're feeling generous. And I just massage that into my skin. And these moisturizers are in a base of aloe vera again, and they contain a lot of cold pressed oils and butters and essential oils and hydrosols. So many beautiful ingredients. And they have hyaluronic acid, which is amazing for the skin. It's not a heavy moisturizer at all. It's not going to leave you feeling greasy. It's very light. That's why sometimes I do 2 pumps if I want a little bit of extra. And I just kind of tap my skin, really get the blood flowing. And we can't forget to moisturize the delicate area under the eyes. So to pamper the eye area, they have the green coffee eye moisturizer, and this is another one of my favorites. It contains raw organic green coffee, and I actually try and put like half a pump because a lot comes out. So all you need is a little bit, but yeah, it contains organic green coffee, which is rich in caffeine and antioxidants. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is really good to help the skin retain moisture. See, I'm just patting it on my eye area. It contains argan oil, which is really anti-aging and just a wonderful oil for the skin. And it has organic apricot kernel oil. So now that we're done with the face products, we can move on to some of their other products. And this is a very, very special product. It is their organic arnica body oil serum. My mom swears by this stuff. It's really, really good if you have sore muscles or legs. It contains raw organic arnica, comfrey, ashwagandha, gotu-kola, just a lot of beautiful herbs in a base of oils like sesame oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and it smells unbelievable. See, it's just like a little oil, and you can use it as a body moisturizer. I've used it on sunburns to help sunburns heal faster. I've used it on cuts and scrapes. It's really good if you have sore muscles because of that arnica. If you have like sore achy legs or anything, just rub this on your legs. You know, moisturize your skin when you get out of the shower. It's just a lovely, lovely product for the body. And then if you're a bit stinky, they have an herbal deodorant. So they have their sage deodorant. I have a brand new bottle right here. And all the ingredients and herbs in this are in a base of organic aloe vera leaf juice. It has witch hazel and arrowroot powder and herbs like sage and thyme. And it's great if you are switching from a conventional deodorant, because if you're still using a conventional deodorant, this should be the first thing you're switching when you're getting into a natural lifestyle, because you don't want to be absorbing toxins and chemicals under your arms. Okay, so now we are moving on to my favorite part, and that is hair care. So we have some pure organic argan oil, and that's all that's in here is organic argan oil, and you can apply this to your skin if you want. Argan oil is amazing for the skin, but what I like to use it for, well, first I like to kind of massage it into the end of my braid when I have a braid in my hair. But I will just take my hair out and run that through my hair. I usually do that kind of from my midsection to my ends, and then I will braid my hair. And then to nourish my scalp, I have my favorite product out of the whole entire Blue Beautifly line, and that is their organic Amalaki scalp oil serum. My baby, my precious baby. So it has this convenient dropper so you can really get into the scalp, and I just apply it directly to the scalp using the dropper, and then you can just massage it into the scalp. And then I have a hairbrush that's designated for when I'm oiling my hair, so I just brush through my scalp and my hair with that, and then I just put my hair in a braid again, and you can leave that on for like half an hour or a couple hours. I usually leave it on overnight because I like to really give it time to condition my scalp. And if you're wondering what's in the scalp oil serum, I saved the box. So it just has a lot of beautiful oils like sesame, green tea, castor, jojoba, argan. It has a lot of Ayurvedic and Chinese herbs like amalaki, brahmi, botai, saw palmetto. It has a lot of essential oils that are great for the hair like rosemary, lavender, orange, grapefruit, peppermint. It's just a jam-packed oil. Really great if you have any sort of scalp conditions like dandruff or dry itchy scalp, or maybe your hair is thinning, but it's just an all-around great product for nourishing the scalp. And if you're trying to grow long healthy hair, then it's very important to have a healthy scalp, because that's where it all begins. So that is my Blue Beautifly facial demo review. You guys can follow me on Instagram if you want to see daily photos, and if you want, you can subscribe to me. And if you are subscribed, remember to hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a new video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!